Hello, my name is Rosie Jones and I am the author of the Amazing Edie Eckhart series, and my top tip for reading is make sure that you have time. I'm a busy lady and I know you are too, but I like to set aside an hour of my day. I put my phone in another room so I don't worry about that. I get my favourite blanket and I wrap myself up and I get all cozy, and then I have 1 hour of unapologetic reading. So do that now and enjoy.